two different ways you can get 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours. These two strategies will work because I've seen small channels use them to blow up their channels, getting thousands of subscribers in a very short time. The first one is using a strategy that's already proven to work. And the second strategy is an app that makes everything super easy, making it very easy for you to achieve these 1,000 subscribers in about 24 hours. I've also seen a small channel apply this strategy, and in 48 hours, this channel grew from 0 subscribers to over 1,000 subscribers. These are two different ways you can get 1,000 subscribers each. Now imagine what happens when you combine the two of them. So 2 days ago, I made this post here asking you, what do you need help with as a small creator? And about 50% of you said what you need right now is to get 1,000 subscribers. So this video is to show you exactly how you can get your first 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours. Now I'm sharing this because I understand that getting subscribers and getting views on your videos is one big motivation that keeps you making video as a small channel. No matter how motivated or determined you are to grow your YouTube channel, if every time you upload video on YouTube, nobody is watching the video, nobody is subscribing to your channel, you will struggle so hard to keep at it. So I am not only going to tell you what to do to get the subscribers, I am going to walk you through each and every one of them step by step. Now, if you're a smart person, I need you to watch this video to the end because along the way, I'm going to show you exactly how smart people use this strategy, not just to get subscribers, but to make sure that the subscribers are sustained. You want them to come back every time you upload video and watch your videos. I'm going to share that as a quick tip along the way. So let's get into it. Just before we continue, I need to give a shout out to this YouTube channel here, Joshua. This YouTube channel talks about how to grow your own channel as a small creator. Made a couple of videos that will help you as a creator getting started, getting your subscribers and watch hours. I encourage you to check it out. Support the channel by watching the videos and subscribing. So the first easy way to get 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours is using viral Instagram video to grow your YouTube channel and get 1,000 subscribers. So let me share my screen right now and show you exactly how to do that. So what you need to do is to open your Instagram account and then click on this search button here. Once it opens, you are going to see all the videos that are trending at the moment. To find viral videos that are related to what you do. So for example, if your channel is about food and cooking, you can see this one here. This is actually one viral video that will help you get thousands of views and subscribers in less than 24 hours. Now, if you scroll down here, you see this one on makeup and fashion. This is one viral video that can get you 1,000 subscribers. Now, let me give you one secret to finding the video to use that is guaranteed to get you 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours. So the secret is finding a video that is attention grabbing the very moment the video opens. It is this attention that will get people to stay back and watch the video and eventually subscribe to your channel. So if you look at those videos I've been pointing out, you see that the very moment they open, everybody wants to know what is going on here. Now let's go on and use this as example, this makeup. If you look at this video, you would want to know what is this person up to. Let me see how she's going to mess up, okay? And that's exactly why people are going to stay back and watch the video and end up subscribing to your channel. Okay, so once you find the video to use, the next thing is to open it. Once you open it, come over here and click on this button here to save it, okay? Once you click on it, you go on to copy the link. The next thing you want to do now is to go on and get this video on your phone. Stick with me. I'm going to show you a legal way to use this video in a way that is approved. You won't have issues. Now that you've gotten the video, the next thing is to go on and save it to your phone. So how do you do that? If you look at my screen right now, you can see the app you can use to achieve this. So go on and open the app. Once it opens, as you can see, the very moment the app opens, it gives you the opportunity to paste the link, okay? Go on and paste the link and click on this. At this stage, you have this video on your gallery. Now that you have this viral video on your phone, the next thing is to go on and use it to get this 1,000 subscribers. How do you use this? Creative usage. YouTube approves the use of other people's content so long as you are able to add extra value to the content, which is basically tweaking the video, add some changes, make something interesting about the video. So what we are going to do now is to upload this video. We're going to remove the original sound and add a new sound. Not only that, we are also going to maybe use a voiceover, just anything you can think of to add to this video that will make it significantly different from the original one. Go on and upload the video by clicking on this button here and then select the video. You can see the video here, okay? And then you go on to add it. At this stage, you can add text on the video. Add the text, can drag it up here or down here. Go on and remove the original audio. Select this one here to add music, a new music to this. Music is very important because the music you add on the video will help that video go viral. So I'll advise you go for trendy music. Once we get over here, this is what you're going to do to make sure that you grab attention the very moment people come in contact with this video. That will help us get them to watch the video and subscribe. Go on and touch this pencil icon so we can select the thumbnail. You want to actually look for the most exciting, most intriguing part of the video that you are going to convert to the thumbnail. Okay, so for me, I'm going to settle for this. As you can see with this, people want to know what's going on here. How is she going to turn this makeup to something beautiful? Add a caption and then end it with hashtag shorts. Once you are done, this viral video is ready to be published. If for any reason you are not comfortable having the video on your channel, the moment you get 1,000 subscribers, you can go on to delete the video. I've actually watched a video of how a brand new YouTube channel was able to grow the channel from 0 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers in 48 hours. So let me show you this amazing app and step by step how you can use it to get your 1,000 subscribers in 24 to 48 hours. So this app is called Opus Clip. Search Opus Clip and you're going to see this particular one here. Click on it and it's going to open. So what this app does is to generate 10 different short videos from your long form content. So once you open it, go on and click on this button to create a free account for yourself. Now, if you scroll down here, you can see lots of big creators that are currently using this app to grow their YouTube channel. Can you see that? They are all using this app to create videos to grow their YouTube channel. Once it opens, the next thing is to go on and create a free account. You can do that by selecting this button that says continue with Google or continue with email, which means you're going to key in your email. So I'm going to go on and type an email address I want to use for this account. And once you do that, click on this and then it's going to bring us to this interface. So can you see what is happening here? We are ready to create 10 viral videos from just one long video. What I love about this app is that it doesn't just generate short videos from your long videos. No, it actually gets the very best part of the video that is guaranteed to get you views. It doesn't just end at that. When it gets you these clips, it's also going to go on to rate the clip, telling you the possibility of this video going viral. So you'll be able to see the 10 clips generated for you and see the one that has higher potential of going viral. So you'll be able to go for only the ones that are guaranteed to go viral for you. Next thing is to go on and copy the YouTube video link you want to convert to viral short videos. Okay, minimize this, head over to your YouTube channel. Copy the link of videos you want to convert to short videos. Okay, so I'm going to select this one, click on this and copy the link. Then we head over to this amazing app and then paste this link here and click on generate. Can you see that? It has already started processing the video. Now, while the video is being processed, we are asked to answer these basic questions. So go on and answer all the questions here. This is designed to help make sure that the kind of videos they generate is something that will go viral in your niche the very moment you upload it. So it's important you answer each and every one of these questions. This has started generating the video. The next thing to do is to connect your YouTube channel to this. So as soon as these videos are generated, they will easily be uploaded on your YouTube channel. I've seen small channels use this strategy to get thousands of views as well as subscribers on their channel. Now, each and every one of these strategies will get you 1,000 subscribers if you put in the work. Imagine what happens when you combine the two. That means it's super easy to get 1,000 subscribers. Now, I need you to understand that getting thousands of subscribers on YouTube actually is easy, but you have to put in the work. You can actually learn all the strategies in the world, but if you're not applying any of them, if you're not putting in enough work to get it done, it will not happen for you. So using the Instagram short videos that are already going viral, make sure you upload at least 2 of these on a daily basis. And then you also use the Opus Clip, which converts your own long videos to short videos, short viral videos. YouTube is currently promoting short videos. This is exactly how you can get 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours using these 2 strategies. Let me know in the comment section, have you used any of these strategies before? Now, if your goal is to get 4,000 watch hours, I need you to go on and watch this video right now. In this video, I showed you exactly how to get 4,000 watch hours as a small channel.